Welcome back, everybody. Day 19 on the GDMBR. Oh, I'm so glad God made wahoos. I would die right now. Here in Atlantic City, my boy Gazelle and Nick checking out Gazelle's gear today. He's a CDT through hiker. He's just a cowboy camper, no tent, no nothing. That's what I would like to progress to. That's for the big boy. That's some hardcore stuff right there. But let's check out his gear here. I'm traveling pretty light, man. That's decent. Ah.
Very light. Emergency sheet. For emergency. Thru, S-O-L. Emergency blanket.
Emergency blanket.
Yes.
Gotcha. Oh, okay.
Oh, Sol, the brand.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know.
Gotcha. That's sweet. You just lay that down and get right on it. That's sweet, man. You did this through like Montana?
Yes.
Yeah? That's hardcore, dude.
Yeah, many folks do.
Oh yeah.
But no problem.
Right. I dig it.
Not for waterproof, just temperature.
Yeah.
Very good.
Awesome.
Yeah, the 6 moon design stuff is really nice.
Yeah. At the tent and inner net. 70 net tent.
Nice.
Yeah, double wall.
Nice.
No kidding. Wow, man. That's pretty sweet. It looks super light. That's decent, man. Got the smart water bottles. That's what's up.
And I have fishing pole.
No kidding. Oh man. My brother would freak out, dude. Oh, that's so cool.
Like a fly fishing pole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's decent. Damn.
Yeah. Wyoming is many good lakes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I eat fish many.
Really?
Yeah. Very good protein.
Oh man, that's cool. That's hardcore, dude. That's hardcore, man.
Energy to fish.
Dude, could you imagine that dinner though? Like trout.
Yeah.
With some ramen, like side. Day 19, the Great Basin. So this is my second time crossing the Great Basin. Once from west to east on my first coast-to-coast bike tour in 2013. And I actually even made it to Great Basin National Park that year and stealth camped right there by a cave, if I remember correctly. But yeah, as you can see, guys, there's really not much out here. In like 10 miles, there's a well, Diagonus well, should be here. But I do have like 5 liters of water with me. I am gonna stop at the well anyway. I'm just gonna like drink a bunch of water and fill up. And that's it. There's literally nothing for the next 133 miles. And there's no stores, no stops, no trees, no shade. And I don't know, not too much to look at. I mean, this is really cool. It's like, I don't know, there were some spots yesterday, it was like looking down on the moon, you know, but this is just really beautiful, really different, and having a great time here. So day 19, well over 1,000 miles here, everybody. And I don't know if I'm gonna try to make it to Rollins or not. So I was planning on resupplying in Atlantic City, but the general store is closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, which I did not know about. The CDT through hiker showed up, Gazelle, and he said he knew about it on his phone, but there was like this other place in town, Wild Bill's Knives, Guns, Ammo, and Other Implements of Death, and they actually had a small resupply section for CDT through hikers and GDMBR riders. So I was able to come up with enough food, definitely to get me all through the day here and into tomorrow morning, just in case I don't make it. I actually waited for that store to be open at 8, and they didn't open, you know. So getting a late start on trying to do a century. I don't know, I could just keep riding into the night, you know, when that sun goes down, just keep on moving. Like I said, I'm not missing much. I'm gonna get to it, guys. It shouldn't be too bad of a day. I mean, it's just kind of rolling little hills, not too many big climbs or anything other than that one. And the few coming out of town, but getting on the road. There's a lake out there. Nothing out here, man. This is bike pack. Gotta have your food and water. Jeez, man. Where are you camping at tonight? Wherever the sun goes down. Camp anywhere. Camp anywhere you would like. There's absolutely nowhere to go. You were forced to camp tonight. Unless you can make it to Rollins. Which, for me, that was the plan. So I got screwed up with my resupply. Another 90 miles from here. I don't know if I'm getting that today. Plus the terrain really eases up. It's been kind of tough out here, actually. I mean, you get rolling for a while and then I don't know where you hit these hills that are just like 8% grades. Super rocky. It's just like, you know, if you like get your gearing screwed up, just like have to like walk for a bit till you can find a spot to try to get back on the bike. But man, it's really cool out here. I'd say it's like a lot different than anything I've ever done. It's different than any biking I've ever done, but as far as being way out in the middle of nowhere with a bunch of gear and slim water, I've been in that boat a lot, backpacking, both on the Appalachian Trail and the Colorado Trail. So this is definitely hardcore and a pretty intense trip, really. Oh, I'm so glad God made wahoos. I would die right now. That's how you get killed right there, I swear to God. I swear to God, you head off that way, 20 miles, thinking you're heading in the right direction. That's why there's a cairn here. But like, really, man, I mean, I came flying past this, I saw it, but like, who would have thought that was a road? I did see the cairn, but like, looking at the wahoo, it looked like that was probably the way. But here we go. I mean, this actually might be the Continental Divide Trail, right? Maybe. But like, just a bizarre intersection, right? You cannot do this trail without a GPS, without a GPS navigated system. I mean, you can come out here with your maps, you can give it a shot. And I'm going to say that there's probably some people who came out here and did their best and got from A to B or got from where they were going. But man, this is why I bought the wahoo. The grizzly bears, and this, and New Mexico. That's why I bought the wahoo, man. I mean, it'll just save your ass. But I'm going to stack this cairn back up because I'm a nice guy. I'm having a good day. And I got a lot of water and I'm not dying yet in the sun. And it is afternoon, so yeah, I'll stack that cairn back up. Generally, you see those up above tree line where there's no trees to mark the trails. And same kind of indication here. Same kind of thing going on here. Boom. That marks the way. But yeah, I'm going to have some water and get back to it. This trail looks super interesting. Just loving the Great Basin. This is just a really good time. Really good time out here. And I've been meeting really great people the last couple days. I might see Nick later on tonight. We might be camping at the same spot. But as far as the CDT through hiker, Gazelle, I'll never see that dude again. But we did swap information. So, I mean, it's not my last communication with that guy. He was cool as hell, man. The last thing he said to me was, You are very interesting. Anyway, have fun on the road, Gazelle. That was great meeting you, dude. If you make it down to New Mexico, give me a call, dude. I'll come pick you up or something. We'll see you on the road, brother. This is the rough stuff, guys. Check it out. This is freaking steep as hell, man. I know it doesn't look like it, but yeah, 8%. Man, it's just the roughest. This is just like the roughest gravel. Also, I mean, I couldn't get on my bike right now if I tried, if I wanted to. 11. It's a 12% grade. Holy hell, man. Why? Why? Starting to see horny toads everywhere. They're so cool. I don't know if I ever saw any. I'm not sure if I saw any last year. It's like some Wyoming Badlands. If you guys saw that that pronghorn antelope ran into the shot there. I just thought I heard people talking. I don't know, maybe there's some people hanging out down around here. I'd love to bump into some other cyclists or something. Or that Adventurous Cycling Association today with some Gatorades. That would be so sweet. But they're well behind me. Got 42 miles in, so I got like 32 more miles to the next well, and I cannot miss it. It's at like a right angle in the on the map. I'm sure on the Wahoo I'll be able to recognize it, but when I get a little bit closer, I'll start spotting it on the map a little bit, watching it a little bit harder. But I definitely have enough water to get there. I still got a Gatorade in the back, and I got this bladder on the front that can hold 2 water bottles. And I'm still working on a water bottle here, so. Back on the road. Thank God. That was one rough, rocky section. Nice pool of water over there, man. With this, it's so disgusting with like cow stuff. I'm not even gonna pretend. I wasn't gonna like drink it. I was just gonna like put my bandana in and put it on. Take off this little tiny hat with the propeller and just kind of soak my bandana, but it's so nasty. But anyway, I found this like little shed house. That's super weird and interesting. It's like, man, I wonder if people lived here, you know? I always wonder, like, people may have grown up here. This is where they lived and this is what they did. But I don't know. I'm not out of water. I still have 2 bottles plus a little bit more, and I have I'd say, and there's like a trailer over there with a porta-john on it. I don't know if there's like something coming up or there's people around or something, but I don't know. Like I said, I have water. I'm just like, I don't know, craving ice cold things. But I hope I find there's no streams out here. Anyway, I guess the next big thing is the well, and I cannot miss it. It's vital that I catch this well. I'm gonna hang out here for a minute, guys, and get going. Oh shit, check it out. What's up? What's up? Throwing down right now. Stainless steel. The main ingredients. It stays with the house. Cool. Interesting place. These are kind of a dime a dozen out this way, but getting back on the road, everybody. 25 miles to the well, where I'm gonna fill up, take a look at the time, eat the rest of my Spam. I know, yeah, Spam, believe it or not, I'm eating that today. It was slim pickings at the resupply point, and believe me, I am just happy to be putting nutrients, if you want to call it that, in my body across the Great Basin. I screwed up That's the way it goes. I thought Atlantic City was going to be a bit bigger. I could have resupplied a little bit better at that Mercantile if I knew the schedule. But thinking back on it, my original plan was to load up in Pinedale, and I dropped the ball. You know, I just grabbed food for just a couple days, you know, not exactly everything I needed. I'm also eating a lot more than normal. I ate like twice as much as I should have last night, and if I would have realized that that store wasn't going to open this morning, I would have not done that. I had like, I don't know, I just ate a lot of food last night. So that's kind of where I'm at in my diet. I could just really eat anything at any time, and also I'm having like different kind of like cravings. I've been like drinking a lot of milk lately, which is different for me. I generally stay away from that. I don't really like it, and even out here I drink it, and I mean it's like super good. Afterwards I'm like I shouldn't have done that, but like while I ride, my body is like, I can't wait to get some milk. I can't explain that. And also like Mountain Dew, and I've been drinking some Pepsis when I get into town, which I try to stay away from pop. I call it pop where I come from. Carbonated beverages. I do get lured back into it though, but yeah, my body's just craving a lot of different things. And I can't wait to get some bagels. But anyway, back on the trail. That's it. Forget it.